Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create videos using the chat GPT. And before you say that's an old news, hold up. This is the new and improved video GPT and it comes with some awesome updates. Now you can adjust the length of your videos, generate scripts and voiceover in 45 plus languages, use custom footage and logos, and turn PDFs into videos. First, Video GPT writes a script based on your prompt. If you want, you can even upload a PDF and it will generate a video around that content. But for now, I'm typing in my own idea, like a 30-second YouTube short on the top 5 things to do in Hong Kong. Want your video in another language? Just type video in Italian or whatever language you need. If GPT needs more info, it asks things like, does this script match your vision, male or female voiceover, avatar instead, and more. The more details you give, the better the result. And once you approve the script, the video GPT puts all together. It picks stock footage, background music, a speaker, and even styles of your subtitles. And pretty cool, right? But if you want to make it more personal, like I do, you can replace stock clips with your own footage to make it feel authentic to your brand. And here's what you can tweak things. You can swap stock footage and adjust subtitles like change the font, size, color, and even add animations. You can also edit music and effects. And once you're happy with it, click Done and set your render settings and hit Export Video. After it's finished rendering, download it as an MP4 and you're good to go. And that's it. The Video GPT makes video creation super easy whether it's for YouTube, TikTok, or other business account. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching!